See, the next topic is kinds of cells, types of cells. There are different types of cells are present in different organisms, but broadly, cells we have to categorize into two groups, two types, as prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotes in organisms which composed of prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotes, that cell have simple organization. These are primitive cell and with simple organization. Another type eukaryotes or eukaryotic cell, the cell is advanced with complex organization. So broadly two types of cells are there, prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, primitive cell with simple organization, and eukaryotic cell, advanced cell with complex organization. This is the prokaryotic cell. See, these are the features of prokaryotic cell. That is the diagram of prokaryotic cell, figure of prokaryotic cell. See here, the features of prokaryotic cell as cell envelope. Cell envelope is a complex chemical structure, chemical covering, thick covering of the prokaryotic cell. This is three layer complex, consists of three layers: outer layer, inner layer, middle layer and inner layer. Here outer layer is a glycocalyx. Here we can see. This is a cell envelope, hard covering, thick covering, consists of three layers, 1, 2, 3, outer, middle, inner layer. Here outer layer is a glycocalyx, middle layer is the cell wall, and innermost layer is the cell membrane. And these three collectively form the cell envelope. So this is the outermost covering of the cell is the cell envelope, which is made up of these three layers: outer glycocalyx, middle cell wall, and innermost is a cell membrane, also called as a plasma membrane. Here see, glycocalyx layer may be slime layer or capsule. Slime layer, when it is a thin sheet, thin layer, called as slime layer. In some bacteria it is a hard, thick, we have to call as a capsule. So glycocalyx layer is thin, slime layer. It is a hard, tough, thick, it is a capsule. Nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles are absent. As we know, the cell have a simple organization. So the nucleus, well organized nucleus, and membrane bound cell organelles like the mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, such membrane bound cell organelles are absent here. In prokaryotic cell, these cell organelles are absent and well organized nucleus is also absent. Gram staining, the bacteria we can observe very well after staining process. A specific staining process for bacteria is a Gram staining, which is developed by Hans Christian Gram. This is called the Gram staining process. Cell wall, in the middle layer, cell wall. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan in some bacteria, and in other bacteria it is made up of murin. So, during Gram staining process, the bacteria of which cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, this we have to call the Gram positive bacteria. And the bacteria in which cell wall is made up of murin, that we have to call the Gram negative bacteria. So Gram positive bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, and Gram negative bacteria, here cell wall is made up of the murin or muralic acid. Cell membrane, innermost layer, made up of phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid bilayer. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Locomotory organs in the locomotory bacteria. Those bacteria which perform the locomotion, they move from one place to other. So they have such organs for its movement, for its locomotion, and that organs we are called as the locomotory organs. So cilia, flagella, these are the locomotory organs which have rotatory movements. Other from cilia and flagella, there will be tubular pili and fingering also there. Tubular pili. This tubular pili intercellular communication, helps in the intercellular communication. This is our clanging movement. Next one is the mesosome, infolding of cell membranes. Here, this is the plasma membrane of cell membrane. It forms fold inner to the cell, infolding, and this is called as mesosome. It helps in cell wall formation. The function of mesosome is that it helps in the cell wall formation and DNA replication. This is the DNA of the prokaryote cell. Here, the DNA in the prokaryote cell is a double-stranded but circular. Double-stranded circular without nuclear membrane. This is formed by embedded with the cell cytoplasm directly. There is no any differentiating membrane like the nuclear membrane. Another structure is that chromatophores. Chromatophores are longer extensions containing photosynthetic pigments. Actually here, these villi are the extensions, small extensions of the same cytoplasmic extensions. Here in some bacteria, large extensions are also present which are embedded with the photosynthetic pigments. These bacteria are the photosynthetic bacteria like the cyanobacteria. So here chromatophores are present. These are the larger extensions of the cytoplasm in protoplasm which are embedded with the photosynthetic pigment and found only in the photosynthetic bacteria like the cyanobacteria. Ribosomes, dense particle found in the cell cytoplasm. These dense particles which helps in the protein synthesis process are nothing but the ribosomes. Here bacterial ribosomes are 70S type. 70S type. Here two subunits are there, smaller subunit and larger subunit. Larger subunit is 50S type and smaller subunit is a 30S type. Here S stands for Svedberg constant. S stands for the Svedberg constant. So this is about the prokaryotic cell. This is the structure of prokaryotic cell. Some other structures are also we have to find here like the food granules here, food gets stored. Enzymes are also present in the cell cytoplasm. This is a plasmid. Plasmid is a DNA. Double-stranded circular DNA, but this is an extra chromosomal DNA. This is not a genetic material. Genetic DNA is a nucleate. This is the genetic DNA. When nucleate condense, it forms the chromosome, single chromosome only. So nucleate is a chromosomal DNA. This is the plasmid, is the extra chromosomal DNA. Do not form the chromosome, and this is not a genetic material. So plasmid is also present here, and this is the structure of the prokaryote.